In this video, I am going to review Embrain P1122 power bank. With that being said, let's begin the review. Embrain is one of the electronics manufacturer company well known for made in India products, and P1122 power bank is no exception for that. The Embrain P1122 is launched earlier this year, and it got very good response from users as well. This power bank comes with 3 color option with same price tag, which is rare in case of power banks. Now let's move to its features. Inside the box of this power bank there is user manual, charging cable, and the power bank itself. The charging cable is of good quality and around 15 centimeters long, which serves its job very well. This power bank has 144 mm height, 62 mm width, 21 mm thickness, and weighs 300 grams. It comes with a fresh modern design, with good build quality. It has power on and off buttons, and 4 LED indicators to show battery status. It has 10,000 mAh battery capacity, and gives 8,500 mAh of output, which is better comparing to its competitors. It comes with Samsung cells inside, which are long-lasting. This power bank has 3 USB outputs of 2.1 ampere, and you can charge 3 devices at the same time. It takes 11 to 12 hours to charge itself. This power bank comes with a 180-degree rotating torch light, which is bright comparing to other power banks which comes with torch. That's because it has 4 LEDs embedded in torch. If you switch on the torch only it will last above 5 hours, which is good for traveling, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Talking about safety, it is protected from over discharge, high temperature, and short circuit. It comes with 1-year warranty. Now it's time to see pros and cons of this power bank. Pros: a fresh modern design, with good build quality. Very good efficiency, 85% conversion rate, which is best among the power banks under 1000 rupees. 3 USB outputs. Comes with a 180-degree rotating torch. Cons: this power bank has a heavy body. Now let's move towards its logical conclusion. If you are looking for durable, long-lasting power bank, with unique looks and design, you can go for it. It also has the best torch among the power banks which comes with torch, making it ideal companion for traveling, hiking, and other outdoor activities. It is heavy, and somewhat bulky. That's the only drawback I found in this power bank, so if you are not concerned about that, this power bank could be ideal for you. It will keep you charged up and will not let you in dark. To get buying links of Amazon and Flipkart, visit my website, www.logicalcustomer.com. I'll provide this link in the description box below. Give us thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section below. I will try to answer them all. I will upload detailed products reviews of other products too, so make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified of any video, when I'll upload it. You can also connect with us on social media, to stay updated about upcoming product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching. Be smart, and shop logically.